Values of a good man and woman. Character, wisdom, and discernment in relationships. Healthy relationships are built on character, emotional maturity, and spiritual grounding. Both psychology and biblical teachings emphasize that love is not only a feeling but a commitment shaped by values, boundaries, and growth. Values of a good woman and man. Psychological perspective, a healthy partner demonstrates emotional maturity and self-awareness, respect for boundaries, accountability and responsibility, honest communication, empathy and kindness, consistency between words and actions. Strong individuals do not seek control. They seek partnership and mutual growth. Biblical perspective, the Bible highlights character as the foundation of relationships. Proverbs 31 verse 10 to 31 describes a woman of strength, wisdom, and integrity. Ephesians 5 verse 25, husbands, love your wives just as Christ loved the church. Galatians 5 verse 22 to 23, the fruit of the Spirit, love, patience, kindness, self-control. The protective husband has good and bad side. Healthy protection provides emotional safety and support, encourages growth and independence, leads with humility and service, not dominance, respects autonomy and equality. 1 Peter 3 verse 7, treat your partner with understanding and honor. Unhealthy protection, red flags, controlling behavior disguised as care, isolation from friends or family, jealousy or possessiveness, decision-making without mutual consent. Psychologically, true protection builds trust. Unhealthy control creates fear and imbalance. Red flags in men and women, emotional and behavioral warning signs, manipulation or gaslighting, lack of accountability, always blaming others, disrespect or emotional neglect, inconsistent behavior or dishonesty, refusal to communicate or resolve conflict. 2 Timothy 3 verse 1 to 5 warns against traits like selfishness, arrogance, and lack of self-control. How to avoid red flag relationships? Psychological guidance, observe patterns, not just promises. Maintain healthy boundaries early. Listen to intuition supported by evidence. Avoid rushing into deep commitment without knowing. Character over time. Seek feedback from trusted mentors or community. Biblical wisdom. Proverbs 4 verse 23. Guard your heart. 1 Corinthians 15 verse 33. Bad company corrupts good character. Pray for discernment and wisdom. When should you consider marriage? Marriage should be considered when emotional and psychological readiness. Both partners communicate openly. Conflict is handled respectfully. Shared values and life directions exist. Emotional safety and trust are present. Biblical indicators, mutual love and sacrifice. Ephesians 5, unity in faith and purpose. Amos 3 verse 3, can two walk together unless they agree? Commitment beyond temporary emotions. Marriage is not only about compatibility but covenant. Choosing daily commitment guided by love, respect, and faith. True love balances heart and wisdom. A good partner does not complete your identity but walks alongside you in growth. Discernment protects the heart, and strong character builds relationships that honor both psychological health and spiritual values. Okay? Thank you and God bless us.